Yeah, okay, mate. Yeah, poor James. Yeah, yeah, definitely. I was kind of rooting for him to win, but you could just tell it was never going to happen. He was too reckless. But Moonpig, yep. Definitely interesting right here, down here. Stop hunting the lows. That is a big, big level now that this has happened to see if it can base and kind of work its way back up. So it is interesting here for sure. Um, what I will look at is some of these larger time frames. Like you can see, obviously, it doesn't look great on the yearly. That's not ideal. Um, so it's going to be the same on these other time frames, 6 month, 3 month. It's not great. Um, yeah, 22 days left. Still red on the month. Stop hunted the lows. Like it's got a shout here. It's got a chance here that that could be a major low and start working its way back up. Still red. Not ideal. Buying into these stop hunts. Obviously, when you buy into a red stop hunt like this, it's a knife catch. Obviously, got to manage risk, and it needs to stay above this white line for that to hold out. Of course, the best and safest trades can often be into green candles, right? So there's 22 days left in this. Um, yeah, so it's a bit of a knife catch there. Still red on the 9 week. Red, what's that? Red on, yeah, red on all these time frames. 4 week. That's stop hunt. It's definitely a very interesting stop hunt. Will it hold? I think that's the million-dollar question. So I think it's best to just trade this weekly, because it's a new weekly candle. Is it a new 2 week? Yeah, it's a new 2 week tomorrow as well. So it's a new weekly, a new 2 week. This is not a great candle, but it's still worth watching this. There may be some sort of reversal here, like it's after that stop hunt. So I would be looking for buys in this wick to see if they're going to hold. So if you see price come down into this wick, I'm probably going to go a bit higher if there's strength in it. It mightn't come down too low. So I would be watching this. If we can come down and you start seeing holding down here, there could be a buy in that to see where it can run to and to see if we can have a green weekly candle. Um, Obviously, it's been poor, but as you said, James has been liquidated, probably sold off all of his. Well, I don't know actually. He said one day I seen on Twitter he did hold a bag of Moonpig and that was the last that he had. So did he sell that? Did he not? I'm not sure, and I don't know how much of a bag he had. So I don't know if that could play into it at all, but might be worth investigating. But because of the stop on tier, yeah, a new weekly candle does look like there may be a trade in this. Obviously, if it's breaking the white line, you do not want to be in this. You want to see a small dip down in here and then see some strength flipping green again. I just want to actually check sentiment tool here. See this? This is interesting. See this 4 hour chart here? It's got a pressure cooker developing. So if this can continue to base and price gets above this, it can actually cause very nice moves. So there is something developing here if we look at sentiment here, you can just see it's the 20, the early sentiment is actually trying to flip green. It's coming up. This is probably 35, and this may be, it's 55, 50, okay. Um, yeah, so it is trying. You can see that it's attempting to try and put in some sort of a bottom here. The first time we've had a bit of green. So the market is trying here that new weekly candle. Uh, Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. That new weekly candle there should be key. It is deep red on all time frames, so do need to be careful. Anyway, mate, yep, I hope you're well.